With Android smartphones, there's always one little issue. Well, little for some and big for some. Software updates. Usually, Android smartphone manufacturers are a bit lazy to provide software updates, even for their flagship devices. If you want to go for updates, your best bet is Pixel devices. But not all of us are Pixel fans, especially after the issues that Pixel phones offer. Well, there are a lot of people who love Samsung devices, including myself. And there's some good news for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus users because it seems the Android 10 update is finally rolling out. It seems that this update is currently rolling out in Germany specifically for the users who had participated previously in the One UI 2.0 beta program, according to a media report. Samsung is also said to have pushed the update for both the 10 and 10 Plus Note models. The latest software development comes a couple of weeks after South Korean company released stable Android update for Samsung Galaxy S10 devices. It brings the firmware version to N97 FXXU1BSL7 as reported by Sam Mobile. The update also comes with December security patch. Further, the new package is around 144 MB in size. Well, Samsung has finally brought the stable Android 10 update to its top-end smartphone series. The latest development is initially limited to German users who were a part of the One UI 2.0 beta program. That's probably the reason why the update size is so small. This means that the update would take some time to reach other users who were not part of this beta program, and probably in other countries it will take even more time. So having said that, official Android 10 roadmap posted on Samsung members app last month suggested that the stable update will reach the Note 10 series in India and global markets sometime next month. Well, Samsung's One UI 2.0 was a bit of a hit or miss for some people because some people absolutely loved the new UI design while others hated it for being too cartoonish and being kind of weird. Also, it includes a core of Android 10 services including the enhanced digital well-being as well as a system-wide dark mode. And this is a feature that I really love with the Android 10 update. So you basically just flick a switch in the settings menu and all the apps that support dark mode automatically switch to dark mode. You do not have to individually go into every app to make this switch. The company also reportedly brought a fresh update to the models such as Samsung Galaxy M20 and the M30 in the recent past. And this update was seen to be launching in India reportedly. And this update came just days after the 10 update to the Samsung Galaxy S10 series in the country. And it's kind of surprising that the M20 and M30 got the update so fast, especially because they are budget devices. Samsung earlier this year launched these two devices to take on Asus and Xiaomi, who had been a hit in budget device segment. Both the M20 and 30 were launched with Android 8.1 Oreo. The Samsung released One UI update based on Android Pie in June. So it's basically really nice to see that this update also pushes along the security patch to December 2019 according to Sam Mobile. And One UI brings a host of changes just like dark mode on other devices, full screen gestures amongst other features. There are also updates to preloaded apps such as Calculator, Samsung Internet, Samsung Health and Samsung Notes that users need to individually install after updating to the latest version. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And also do note that it may take quite some time for the update to reach you because updates are generally rolled out in batches. So if a certain country starts to get it, not all users would get it instantly. It will take around 1 to 2 weeks for everyone to get it, or maybe even more, and then it will eventually roll out to other countries as well.